you doing?
It's weird. Every time you show the beat, I'm wearing the same thing.
She's jealous. She twists her body like crazy, look. Morning guys. Hi Dimps. Hi Dimp. Sino Dimpulot? Dimpulot Roxy doesn't like it when she saw me touching the cat. What are you whining for? What are you whining for? Oh, no whining. Right here. Yeah, this is my water. There is lemon in it. And I'm gonna drink that, and then later on I'm gonna have my coffee with pandesal. The pandesal, guys, that is from Baliwag, from Asian store yesterday. Anyway, I'm just gonna keep drinking, guys, because you know this is good for your health. And plus I still have to feed the cats. Hubs, I don't even give you food yet. She's eating the leftover. He is eating the leftover. Why I cannot suck it in?
Huh?
The fuck? I cannot suck anything.
Oops.
Oh, there is a freaking lemon under it. I cannot suck it because the lemon is a sucker. I still cannot do it. The frick?
No.
Are you serious? Are you serious? This is not right.
I never had at my cousin's wedding. Then I tried different gel.
You're crazy, Rox. The other one is sleeping, guys. Doesn't want to eat their breakfast. Yeah, you don't eat your breakfast. I don't want to be with you. You like to be with your dada. I'm done with you. No, I don't want to be with you. I don't want to be with you. No, I don't want to be with you. No. Look at that, guys. She's so sad. No, I don't want to be with you. I'm going to be with dada. Oh. I'm going to be with dada.
I don't know. I heard this from my Woodbridge friend.
Look at that, guys. Hey, what are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing?
It's weird. Every time you show the beat, I'm wearing the same thing.
Huh?
So every time you show the beat, I'm wearing the same thing. It's a little bizarre.
Because I wash it all the time anyway.
I know, but they don't get that. They don't know that.
I told them, you guys understand. I told you guys that Tommy always wearing this sweater thing, and yeah, but always wash out this because his stuff is not really here yet, like all her clothes stuff. So, and he's not here all the time, so he's wearing the same over and over, but it's clean. Oh, guys, look at that, guys. Look at it. Look at it. You said that I don't play with you, are you? Are you? Are you? Are you sad? 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 Are you sad?
Really okay about it.
Yeah,
These are just teenagers are not as blasé about breakups. Teenage girls aren't Eve. She's like,
you're so big naman. Boy, are you gonna have a boyfriend? Are you plan to have a boyfriend, baby? You're a big girl now, baby. You're not a little baby anymore. He's just listening, huh?
how you doing?
You're not a little baby anymore. You are not. You are not.
And the week before prom. Still doing here. Me neither. No. Listen.
Run away. Every time is this around, is you are like trying to go run away.
It's really a good dress for you. But
I love
you're
it.
worried about the cost. That's bad. No, the cost would be on the
love you so much.
Have you tried dropping her off at school in your bathrobe yet? Because that worked and you did it for me. You swear she's fine. She says the breakup was mutual. No, who always calls it mutual? Person who that done. God, liar. Hey, maybe we
Si jealous guys. Si jealous. Aray, naku.
please take me with you?
She's so jealous, hon.
Oh, I'm in. It's an afternoon of talking and tea with the castle view.
Go see a TV that costs more than his first car, which I believe was the first car.
Less wrong.
I love you.
Some of that stuff in a house that you own. Because home ownership, that's as American as teaching the medical system. Simply preventable, so future generations will say, I got a house.
That's Misty. Come here, Misty.
In one multitasking step, our focus feels lavish 360-degree tubes, mega volume and extreme light. New Revlon Mega Multiplier Mask.
Well, Misty, we're actually laying on top of him twice.
She twists her body like crazy, look.
Wait, no, wait. You just need
7-point arm ripped off. The Lego Ninjago movie, rated PG.
Ow!
pizza presents.
You ate my hand.
She's about to stand up with 4-year-old over broccoli. Rescued favorite toy from garbage disposal. Held up hair with a cheap lip. Bulging with dishes. Done. Spilled milk with my sock. And I'm still wearing it. As a present. Families.
She is so
Get
cute.
2 gigs for the same price. All the fast and reliable Sprint nationwide
You're
network.
so
Plus, get up to 4 free phones. Boost makes it easy to switch.
Look at her face all the time. Huh? She has the cutest face in the world. You know I love you now. I love you. I love you. I love you.
Seriously? Come, please.
Honey.
This no eating means I won't have to make the bean dip.
That's my freaking ear.
Windows through. So your cameras can't find their way.
Give it. She will give it back to me. Come here, give it to mama. Give it to mama. Yes, good girl. Girl, look at this one. And she return it. Go get her. Get it. Go get it. Go get it. Get it. Look, she will return it. Hand. Go get it. Give it to mama. Give it to mama. Give it to mama. Good girl. Man, you're not even paying attention, huh?
What?
You're not even paying attention. She is a good girl.
Hey, I really like this one. Don't fall in love.
Oh, give it to mama. Good girl. Hi. We have the same face. Hello, uy, pareha naman tagdagway. Uy, pareha naman tagdagway, Rox. Okay guys, I am heading to store. I pick up food and my husband is not going with me. Why? Huh? Oh, he doesn't feel like being with me. Okay.
You don't need me to go to the store to get eggplant.
Huh?
You don't need me to go to the store to get eggplant.
Eggplant and this and that, like that. Do we have enough stuff? What is that I'm looking for? Oh, this cheese. Okay, we have enough. Yep, so I guess I'm going. I will see you later, baby. Anyway guys, I'm just gonna use this camera for vlog guys, because for now I'm still cooking anyway. I'm cooking and now I am marinating this thing. Yeah, hold on guys. And I think in the morning yesterday I defrosted it guys, that I may have some dinner when we get here yesterday, but we end up doing barbecue. So I'm just going to marinate this with lemon, vinegar, and a little soy. Tommy, guys, just keep drinking beer. He's not a beer person. I know he started it.
What? That night I saw him with that blonde girl that you were asking about. Hey.
Hey.
You're not that same girl that works over that restaurant on 8th Street, are you?
Yeah, that's me.
I remember seeing you the other day. You took very good care of me and my friends.
Oh, yeah, I remember you guys. Yeah.
They were talking for a while. It must have been like...
A puppy?
Yeah. I actually brought him with me. He's in the bed of the truck right now. Probably asleep.
Dimples, he doesn't hurt you yet.
Yeah, I love you. I love puppies.
Hey! Hubs just keep following her, and then Dimples the one gonna get doing like a slapping thing.
That night, Rodney came back alone. He was complaining about his windshield, carrying on about how it was broken and how he just knew someone at the bar was the one who smashed that. I swear, it's all he talked about for the rest of the night. But when I was talking to the bartender, Sasha, Rodney told me
Hey!
his wife broke the windshield. Said that she ran into something while she was driving it last week.
I'm filming right there, and the two of them are busy-busyhan yung dalawa. Do you wanna do something, love? Do you wanna go out? Did you let them out, hon? Eat your dinner first. Go eat your dinner first.
It's raised one dare
Don't give me that sad eye, Hansi really does have that, like, if she really wants something, she give you that look.
witnessed 31
Hey, look at me. I want to do this. I want to do that. I want to do this. Ito yung mahirap sa pagkatapos magluto. Yung maglilinis ka, linisin mo lahat yung you have to wash everything. Lalo na if you're cooking a lot. It's sliding. Lalo na pag ano guys sa atin, pag pasta. Pag pasta sa atin, diba? Or birthday, or kahit ano mga okasyon, doon talaga yung linis ang pinakamahirap. At saka, iiwan ka na lang. Ikaw na lang mag-isa. Maglinis. It's really windy, guys. And I'm worried about Tommy driving. And he just helped me to move that grill again because I don't want that flying. And we folded the folding chair. Because the wind. Are you okay driving this windy, hon?
Yeah.
You're gonna be okay?
Yeah, I guess I'll put some stuff in the car, I guess.
I love you.
Me too.
Okay, I'm gonna put all the food in the bag. The lasagna. Okay. Hey, behave! Yeah, coleslaw. Macaroni salad. Oh, no, not macaroni salad, Anong tawag nito, guys? Salad. And chicken. And hot dog and burger. Because they like that food. And salmon. And that's it, I think. Let's see, guys. Let's see kung umuulan ba. Oh my God, it's raining. I feel bad for Tommy though, driving back to the other house. Oh my goodness. Anyway, guys, Tommy left just now and it is raining hard. Yeah, it's a storm. Tommy loved, like, when it's stormy, Tommy loved to be in the house. Tommy loved to stay here every time it's stormy. But it's always happened that that he need to go back to the other house. He loved thunder, he loved lightning, he loved rain, he loved like when it's windy. I mean, not love it's windy, like he loved it when it's like thundery and lightning. Because I don't know why, what's wrong with him. He just like it. And I'm gonna end the vlog. And thank you all guys so much for watching. Tommy's driving. I have to call him and talk to him while he's driving because, you know, I want to make sure that he is really not sleeping. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye. Good night, guys. Bye.
Filipino food is the best. You cannot fight with it. You cannot argue. You cannot do anything.
I can't.
No, you cannot.
Are you kidding?
Yes.